Hey, third grade. So for the past 2 days, we have been just representing multiplication using a variety of strategies. Repeated addition, arrays, number lines, strip diagrams, equal groups. We've been using those different ways to solve for multiplication problem. And today, we're going to take all that information and we're going to apply it to solving one-step multiplication word problems. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to solve a multiplication problem using a specific strategy, and then you're going to practice doing that on the next slide. And then I'm going to do a video showing you how to solve using a specific strategy, and then you're going to do that on the next slide. And then I think there's 3 different ways today, and then on the last time you're going to do all 3 ways. So today we're going to do number lines, strip diagrams, and an array. And then the last slide in today's Google Classroom assignment, you're doing it with all 3. So this is the only thing you have today because this is going to take some time. And if you finish today, then you can go do an Education Galaxy assignment that you maybe haven't finished, or just work in Education Galaxy, but this is what we're doing today, okay? I hope you guys have fun, and remember, if you need me, to hop on office hours. All right, bye.